Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Idania and this is Cook Plants and Decor. There are so many desserts for Christmas. The snowflake cookies, the peppermint bar, the holy cakes, you name it. And all of them are so delicious, guys. But I want to make something different today. I'm going to be using the base of one of the oldest Europe desserts, that is the Catalan cream, to make my Christmas cream. So stay tuned because the next step will be showing the ingredients. 1 liter of whole milk, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of food red coloring, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, or it can be just the peeling of the orange and lemon together. This is all that we need for today's recipe. So stay tuned because next will be the preparation. On low heat, place a medium-sized pan, add the milk and a cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Also add the lemon and the orange peels, avoiding the white part of the fruit going to our mix because it can give a bitter flavor that we don't want. Now let's separate the egg yolks from the whites. We will use only the yolks. Keep the white refrigerated and you can use it later for your breakfast. Now in a bowl, mix well the sugar and the egg yolk together. In a separate bowl, add the cornstarch and half a cup of milk and mix it together. Now add this mix to the egg yolk and sugar mix and mix it well until all is well combined. Shaking the milk. It's very hot, but just before it starts to boil and all the flavor has been infused into the milk, we're going to pour the milk using a sieve into a bowl and we're going to let it cool down at room temperature. Make sure that the milk is at room temperature. If not, the egg yolk will be cooking together with the milk. We don't want that. We want everything to mix together like this. So at room temperature, add the egg yolk with the cornstarch, so the other mix that we have in the other bowl. Mix it well together until we get a very combined mix. Now this mix will go back to the pan using again a sieve because we want a very smooth mix. Now we're gonna be stirring until we get the right consistency. It's very important that you don't stop stirring because the egg yolk will start to be cooking. We don't want that. It can be a mess if that happens. So stay there, keep stirring. At the beginning, it looked like we're never gonna get there, but yes, do you see this consistency? That's it, no more than this. This is what we are looking for, and we're gonna turn off the heat. And while it's still hot, we're going to pour the cream into the serving bowl. And we're gonna let it cool down at room temperature. When the cream is cold, we're gonna cover it with a plastic wrap and we're gonna keep it in the fridge for 3 hours. And after the 3 hours, we're gonna make the caramel. And here's my twist, adding a pinch of red food color to my caramel. If you want to see how I make step by step my caramel, please watch my pumpkin flan recipe here in my YouTube channel. Now I'm adding the caramel with that rich red color on top of my cream. I am putting the caramel in the middle and then when it gets to the edges, it's cold already because it can break the glass. Remember, this is very hot and the glass is very cold. It's coming from the fridge, of course. Let me show you how I make the decoration in an aluminum wrap. Carefully, I'm adding the hot caramel. Then I'm gonna let it cool down. If you are in a hurry, you can put it in the fridge. As soon as it gets very cold, it's very easy to remove it from there. Okay, my candies decoration are very cold and I'm ready to remove it from the aluminum wrap. Look at how easy it is. It can break, it's okay. If it's break, you just put it together, piece and another piece, and will look beautiful anyway. I will say that this is the more traditional color of the Catalan cream on today's video. The only twist I make was the color on the caramel. Now I'm gonna show you another twist that I make the cream in another color, like a pinkish color. It look beautiful. And this is how I did it. I add the color, the food color, into the mix. That way my cream will look pinkish red. All the other steps are the same, guys. You stir, stir, stir until you get the right consistency. And this was the result. Look beautiful, eh? I love it. But for the caramel, I didn't make any color, of course. I want some contrast between the cream and the caramel. I think it looked beautiful, like this too. Catalan cream is very famous in Spain, but today I make it my own. So I make my Christmas cream using the base of the Catalan cream. Yes, guys, in the kitchen you need to be creative and make your own recipes. This one is mine, from cooked plants and decor to your home.
This is really good, Mom. Yeah, it tastes the cinnamon.
Okay,
You got it.
enjoy.
Thank you so much.
It tastes like Christmas. Sabe a Christmas, guys. It's very good. I hope that you try at home. Make it for Christmas dessert. It's so good. And it's also nutritious. We have eggs, milk. Good, eh?